Thank you guys so much for 100 subscribers. As promised, we will be doing a giveaway. How do you enter it? It's simple. Just like the video, subscribe and comment. Hooligans, and write anything you want. Whoever that writes the best comment will get a $50 gift card. So comment. The winner will receive the code via their Gmail. So please include your Gmail if you want. We will reply to your comment. Hey, why do you do that, Japron? You clearly know this type of Japron, right? This is way faster. You suck.
What? What?
Let's do some first dance on the yo cube. I really like the yo cube. It's instantly what I made. Hey, why do you use the yo cube? The magnet is much better. It turns so good. And why do you like cube head so much? I much rather cube for speed. Dude, you got a freaking 1 minute 49 seconds. I will cry over if I got that time. I averaged around 5 seconds. Why are you so slow? I'm so fast that Timo can't even beat me. Hey, can you hear me scramble? Sure. Let's see what we have here. Wait, what? I thought you were a pro at it. You were cheating. World record! Dude, you literally solved underneath the table. This counted as cheating, you know? I'm gonna give you a big fat DNF. What? How's that fair?